R2-D2, Your Highness.
Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. This is Steve. I am back with another installment of the Star Wars Build Your Own R2-D2. This time I am on issue 70, which is part of pack 18. So let's look at the instructions here. And let's go ahead and get a closer view here. And as you can see here, I'll be building the body panels and details. Here's the parts I received, and we'll get a look at those here in a second. Then I'll be fitting the rear details. Pretty simple here. Continuing with that a little bit there, and then joining the rear panels together, the two panels we already have. Continue with that. There you go. Let me get the parts and I will be right back. And here's the parts for 70. Let's get a closer look at these. Here's a close-up of those parts. Of course, here's the body panel made of plastic. Very nice there. Some of the details that go on the body panel here inside of the blister pack. And they are numbered 03 and 02. More attachment components there for the two body panels. That's what these brackets are here for. Finally, we received more screws, the plastic ones and the metal ones. And we'll go ahead and attach these rear details here. And this is the BPO2 one that goes in here first. So we're simply just going to slide that down through the hole here first, and then it will snap in on the other side. We're going to put a 2.3 by 6 millimeter screw into that. Just like that. Looks good. That's how that looks there. We'll do the same thing with the other one, the 03, BPO3. It's going to slide into that slot there and snap in on the other end. And same type of screw goes into that. Just like that. And that's how that looks there. There you go. That's how that looks there. And we'll go ahead and put our big panel in here that came here with this. And that's just going to slide in. And I think I want to make sure the numbers are like that on the bottom. So it's going to go in just like that. That is the BPO4 panel. Once again, two more 2.3 by 6 millimeter screws go into that. Perfect. Looking good. And that's how that looks there and there. Now we're going to put this panel with the other panel. We're going to go ahead and put these little brackets on, and you'll note that on this bracket there's an arrow right there. That arrow needs to line up with the other arrow on the back side here, and we'll see that. So make sure it goes down just like that. And you can see how that goes down on just like that. Once again, 2.3 by 6 millimeter screw goes into that. That's how that looks there. And we have 2 more to put in. I'll put those in and I'll be right back. And there you go. Those brackets are in. We'll go ahead and attach the other panel here. We'll bring this over and it's going to go down just like that up against it. We're going to put 3 more 2.3 by 6 millimeter screws into this. Here goes the first one. The next one. And the last one. Okay, so with this we want to get everything to line up on the end here. So and everything looks lined up pretty good there. All 3 brackets are tight and installed. And there you go. That completes issue 70. We have both halves of the body panels put together here. You can see how that looks there. Looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and look at the magazine. And before I finish this video, I'll show you the articles that are contained within this issue. Once again, towards the prequel in Building the Galaxy. Expanded merchandise by Lucas Arts, posters and such, magazines, books. Star Wars Rick McCullum, article there about him. BT-1, Beetle 1, Plastomech prototype, obviously from the animated series there. And case study on outgunning R2-D2. The repair stop, rescuing Luke Skywalker there. This, of course, is the droid directory. And social robots, which is pretty cool there. I never knew those existed, actually. And, of course, the instructions and a preview. We will be beginning upcoming issue 71. More of the body frame parts there. And that completes issue 70. So stay tuned for issue 71. We're still working on pack 18, so I think it looks great. Remember, you can only get this from Fan Home. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.